Hello everyone, welcome to P&W Aardvark. It's mid-March and this is what we woke up to this morning. It's not my favorite springtime scene, but it is beautiful. Keep watching and see the outdoor activities that help us cope with cabin fever. P.S. P&W Aardvark is not about aardvarks, but more on that another time. But March is here and always fickle. Really mild winter. This is only the second time Rick has had to plow, and it's March 13th. We're still ready for spring, aren't we, guys? Ready for spring and done with snow, but it is beautiful. Very pretty. So I am fixing a winter morning breakfast. Pancakes and sausage. Coffee when he gets back in from snowing. Or excuse me, when he gets back in from plowing. He'll have a good breakfast waiting for him. It'll make him happy. What do you think, Mac? What do you think? You want to be out there with him, don't you? Look at that face. You're so pretty. Ozzy, what are you doing? Are you watching him too? Yeah. Good boy. Then Oliver, he's ready for a nap, aren't you, Oliver? Good boy. So, breakfast is ready. And I just gestured to him that it's ready. Here he comes. I'm sure he's hungry. And here it is. Sausage and pancakes. That's a lot for two people. We won't eat it all. But doesn't that look good? Mm-mm. It is ready.
Thank you.
Uh-huh.
It's
yummy.
Snowy.
How many inches do you think?
At least 5.
Really? Wow.
Yeah, and we got snowbanks again.
For a while.
I was hoping we wouldn't have any snowbanks for spring, but we'll have snowbanks.
It's going to be 62 on Tuesday, so it won't last very long. That's what they say now, anyway. Anyway, dig in. Hey, Oliver. It's bright. Sunglasses today. Beautiful. Blue and white. Hello, Ozzy. Hello, Mac. Hey, Mac. What you doing? What you doing? Good boy. Wagga wagga. Good boy. Okay, we're looking for some wildflowers today. Saw a few on the way up to this point. Oh, I think I see some. So pretty. Grass widows. So pretty. With that green. There's another one. Hey.
Hey.
Did you see anything?
Nope. Did you see any flowers?
Yep, there's quite a few up there. Beautiful. Beautiful morning. So the swallows have been back for a while and they are so happy to be here. We have these houses on the shed here that they take up residence in every summer. We have those, we have some on the greenhouse, and some scattered in the woods here and there. The bluebirds, western bluebirds, like to try to nest in these on the shed, but they're not aggressive enough. The swallows put a community effort into keeping anything else out of these boxes. So the bluebirds use the ones that are in the trees usually. There's one over that way that they use, and one behind our shop that they use. But anyway, the swallows are really fun to watch. I love them. They're so happy. They're just happy. They chatter, sing. Not really sing. I guess it's more of a chatter. Anyway, they're having a good time. Good boy, Mac. Good boy, Mac. Good boy, Oliver. How are you? And Ozzy. Hello. Guess what we get to do today? It's time to be clipped. We bathed him yesterday. I have to do it in 2 separate sessions because it just takes too long. So we're going to clip him today. And we're going to do that here in a few minutes because if I get it done early, we'll go for a walk afterwards, huh, guys? Go for a walk, and we'll take the camera with us on our walk today. And you can splish splash through the meadow up there. That'll be fun. Good boys. Mac, you wanna go for a walk? Come on. Let's go for a walk. Let's go for a walk. Come on. Good boy. Come on. Okay, Ozzy, be gentle. Be gentle. He's an old man. Good boy, Mac. Good boy, Mac. Okay, that's a what? Good babies. Ho, ho, ho. Good babies. Let's go. Let's go for a walk. Okay, easy. Oz, easy. Good boy. Be gentle. Gentle, gentle. Good boy. Okay, let's go. Let's go. Hey, Claudia. Hi, Claudia. Good boy, Mac. Good boy, Oz. Good boy, Oliver. Coyote must have been here, huh? Good boy. Good boy, Mac. A fork in the road. Should we go that way? Or should we go this way? Boys, how if we go that way? And we'll come back and do this way. Sound good? What you think, Oliver? I think so. We can go play in the meadow where the water's coming down through. You guys can splish and splash. Sound good? Okay, let's go. And here's the meadow with the water. Kind of a more seasonal stream. In the springtime, usually, it runs pretty good. The dogs like playing in the water. Even Oslo is starting to like it. Even though he's a poodle, he hasn't shown much interest in water. Good boy, Oliver. Good boy, Mac, what you doing? Let's go this way, Mac. Good boys. Good boy, Oliver. Good babies. Good boys. Yes. Come here, Mac. Let's go over this way. Good boy. Well, here we are back at the fork in the road. So Mac knows which way we're going. We're going to go that way. Follow him. Ozzy. Mac, are we going to go this way? Yeah, let's go this way. Ozzy never walks anywhere. Always in a hurry. Got an itch, Mac. Good boy. Good boy. Good boy, Oliver. It's cooler back here in the woods. Brr.